any attorney or advocate that wishes to address me on these two aspects? Any address? Mr. Ndlovu?
With regard to me representing accused 1, 2, and 3, I have no resignation.
All right. So then nobody else is sitting? All right. Then kindly remove your masks and your hoodies. Put them back so I can see your faces. Good. That's much better. Thank you. Now I need to know. We've had a 10th accused added today with a new attorney that has just received instructions. That's what he informed me this morning when he introduced himself. Mr. Ndlovu and Mr. Sadike, you were in my court with the first 4 accused quite some time ago. On the last occasion, 54 charges were now added, or it was a total of 54 charges. Yesterday, I was informed by the prosecution, I'm not going to repeat it, but there's hundreds of new charges that have been added in this matter. So, I indicated yesterday to the attorneys and advocates that were here. Good morning, Mr. Nandi. He's a regular in my court. And I do apologize, I don't have enough chairs for all the attorneys. I need to know, as I informed most of the attorneys here yesterday, that I had originally arranged a date for a bail application with Mr. Ndlovu and Mr. Sadike on behalf of the first 4 accused. But everything has once again changed. More accused added, even today and yesterday, and on top of that, several hundreds of charges have now been added. The question is, are you ready for a bail application today in respect of all 10 accused? Let's shame Mr. Ndlovu. You know, that's what you get for representing the first 3 accused. You're up first. You're up first. You're the first 3 accused. I'm